Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging from the company Fansells. Now, I don't remember what I got, but we're gonna open it together, y'all. All right, so I will leave a link to all the products in my description box along with my discount code. So if you do decide to purchase anything from Fansells, you can use the discount code. It will give you some off at checkout. I don't make anything from you using the discount or anything. It's just there for you. So I'm just going to pull everything out and we will go from there. Alright, so that is it. Yes, that is it. Alright, so you can see that these are all three in boxes. I think what they are doing is they are transitioning from this to boxes, or at least for the most part. Maybe not everything will be in a box, but for the most part they are coming in boxes. So we're just going to set these to the side for a second, and we're just going to go ahead and open these real quick. Now, I love Fansells, and they have been in business for a long time. They're one of the first companies I ever purchased canvases from back, in 2020, when that's all we could do was craft and watch what was it, the Tiger King. So yeah, this was one of the very first companies I purchased from, because a lot of the other companies, this craft was just getting popular. So this is a little 30 by 30. I get it out there. Now the canvas on this is a little stiff, but that's okay. It's a canvas. They're not all soft and or flimsy or whatever. So I'm going to bring y'all down just a tad, and I apologize for the glare. So this is a 30 by 30. There is the item number right there. Has a schematic on both sides, top left, bottom right. There are 14 special drills. So this, I don't remember how many there are of a crown, but I thought this was the prettiest one out of the whole bunch. But this one was $4.02, and you can see it just comes with your everyday little toolkit, which is a green boat, pink wax, and the pink single placer pen. And that's all you need for any diamond painting, honestly. So let's look at these drills for crystals and the specials. I love doing these in between other canvases, and there are events that just focus on special shaped drill canvases. So these green ones are really pretty. So these are all, whatever that is called. Well, that one is it's like a teardrop. And then whatever these are. Y'all, I get confused on what these cuts are called. I don't know if these are marquees. I don't know. And then you got your little pearls. And then you've got just the crystals. Very, very pretty. See if I can get these back in here. Just very doubtful. Oh my goodness. There we go. Sometimes if you lay them on their side, they just kind of roll up the way they're supposed to go, but not always. Okay, so again, this is a 30 by 30. It's just a crayon. Oh my goodness. And I can already see how this video is going to go. And like I said, there are several different crayons. If you don't like this one, there's different ones. There's some that look like little tiaras and everything. But this had the most, I thought. And when I go for these specials, I like to go for the ones that look like I'm going to have more to do on it, I guess you could say. So there was that one. And again, that was $4.02. I'm going to save this one for last, because I just remembered what it is. So, again, these are going to come in these little boxes, some of them. They're going to have the QR code and all of that right there. Alright, let's see. And these are good for storage. Okay, so this is a special also. Like I said, y'all, I don't remember what I got. I guess I could have looked. Well, I mean, I know what they are, but I don't remember what they look like. Again, just your basic toolkit. And this is also a stiffer canvas. So this is the one that I chose. 30 by 30. Schematic on the top left, bottom right. This one has got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 colors. We'll look at this real quick. I know I'm kind of going a little fast, but because there's so many canvases. Because I usually don't show regular drills unless it's a new to me company. But I do try to always show crystals and specials. Those are gorgeous. Ooh, them are pink. That is pretty. Okay. There we go. Very pretty colors. This one's going to be really pretty because it has all these little flowers. So those ones are going to go, you know, in the flowers. And it's very clear. I don't guess I showed that a while ago. Very clear. Now this one is called Lady in Red Hat. And this one was $4.69. There's that one. Alright. Well. Okay. Alright. Yeah. I remember this. I thought this was gorgeous. This one and I think the next one. I mean, I have the names written down, but I couldn't remember what they look like. Alright, so this one. This is also a stiff canvas, but not as stiff as those. Normal toolkit. This is a full round. Yeah, this one is not as stiff as these. But look at this. Can y'all see? There is the item number. This is a 30 by 45. 30 colors. Schematic on the top left, bottom right with thumbnails. But this one is called Foxglove and Peony. And I thought this was so pretty. And, you know, it's spring, the end of spring, first of summer, and you know, all the flowers are blooming, and I just thought this would be really pretty to do and frame. And you could put this anywhere. You could put this in your living room, in your bedroom, bathroom. You know, you could put it on in an entryway. Make a great, well, Mother's Day has passed, but it would make a good birthday gift. Anything. So, very good stick. It's very, very clear. So, and then here's the colors. Now, I'm not going to open these. Plus, they're all in the little bitty tiny bags. These are the bags that we used to deal with back in the day. You see how small those little bags are? But I don't care. These don't bother me. Alright, so this one, like I said, is called Foxglove and Peony. And this one was $5.36 on Fansells. Y'all, I love Fansells. I think they are, you know, don't tell nobody, but I think they're one of the better budget-friendly companies. And I say budget-friendly only because they're affordable. They're good quality canvases, in my opinion. And several other opinions also. Okay, so here is the other one. Now, there was different ones of these flowers, okay? But I did choose these two, and I have the other ones in my wish list. Where is the opening? There it is. Oh my goodness. Alright. This one, same material as that one. Toolkit. Let me roll this one back. This is also a round, full round. Oh, is that not gorgeous? This one is called Iris. There's the item number. It's also a 30 by 45. 30 colors. Very clear. Is that not beautiful? And look, you put these two together, and like I said, I think there was roses, there was some kind of Shasta daisy or something. There's like 5 or 6 of them, and I've got all of them in my wish list, and I think I'm going to get them all. And again, here's the colors that goes with Iris. And this one was also $5.36. But aren't they gorgeous? Can you imagine once you put the drills on there, and then you can frame these? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make them, and I'm gonna frame them, and I'm gonna hang them somewhere in my house. All right, I'm gonna pause. Put all this up for just a second so I can get this other one because it's a big one. Okay, so I just took everything off my desk. Now, I am going to say, now that I see this, kind of wish I hadn't gotten it. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. This one is going to come with 2 toolkits. Here's the drills. Stiff canvas. This is a full round. Now, I know because of how much it was, I knew what I was getting myself into. I'm not an amateur, but this is an 80 by 30. It was $6.70 on Fansells, and it's The Last Supper. Again, it is extremely pixelated, and I knew that it would be. I didn't realize it was going to be this bad, but I knew it was going to be. Something like this needs to be huge. And they do have it in a bigger size, but I chose this one because I've already done a great big huge Jesus, and I've always wanted the Last Supper, so I just went ahead and got it. And it does look better in the camera, although don't leave me a comment talking about how small it is or how pixelated it is, because I already know. But it does have a schematic over here on the right, or I'm sorry, over here on the left side. There's 20 colors. There's the item number if you want it. There's the thumbnail on the left. And you know, it's not horrible. It's not horrible. It's a, when you finish it, if you do put it up somewhere, it's one of those where you're going to look at it from a distance. So, okay. Anyway, like I said, this is an 80 by 30. It was $6.70, and it is the Last Supper. The drills are just your regular drills in the train. It's got the item number or the canvas number on there. So, you know, I'm not mad at it. I'm not. So, I will leave a link in the description box for all the products that I have shown. I will also leave the my discount code in the description box. That way you can check that out. And yeah, I went ahead and wrote on here what these were. This is how I store my drills. I will put this, I will straighten the plastic up, stick this in a portfolio until it gets flat. Takes a couple weeks, you know, if you have it, if it's heavy enough. And you'll never know that this has been rolled. It'll be completely flat. I store my drills in a cabinet. And I just write on there the company, the name of it, the size, when I purchased it, and the item number. And that's how I do it. That's it, yeah. And I'll do the same thing on these. Even though that they do have some of them. Not all your packs of drills going to have the item number. So I've just made it a habit of writing it on there regardless. So even though that these have got the item number to the canvas, I'll still write it on there. So, alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry that it was long, but it was a lot of stuff. So, thank you to Fansells. You are awesome. And so are all of you who are watching and commenting and liking and all the goodies. So, alright, enough talking, and I tell ya, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.